Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to partition a hard disk on your Mac. First, open the Disk Utility app by pressing Command Space and searching for Disk Utility. This is a built-in macOS app, so you don't need to install anything. This is my internal drive, so I'm not going to change anything here. Now, connect your external hard drive to your Mac using a USB-C to C cable or a Thunderbolt cable. Once it's connected, you'll see a new drive appear inside the app. Depending on your drive, you might see it organized like this. If you don't see your drives organized in a tree structure like this, go to the View menu and select Show All Devices. I'm going to click the physical drive and hit the Erase button in the menu bar to wipe all data and create the first volume and partition. In this window, besides giving the volume a name, you'll see two options, Format and Scheme. I'm choosing GUID partition map for the scheme and APFS for the format. These are generally the best options for modern drives. If you want a deeper explanation, check out my full disk utility tutorial. I've explained everything there. I'll leave the link in the description. For this video, I'm sticking with the default APFS format. Click Erase to process it. When you see Operation Successful, your first volume is ready. Now, I'm going to create another partition by clicking the physical drive again and selecting the Partition button. Here, you can see my drive currently has only one partition. This partition takes up the full size of the physical drive, which is 1 terabyte. Click the plus icon and choose Add Partition. Now, the drive is split into two partitions with equal sizes. You can drag the separator to adjust each size however you want. Give your partition a name, click Apply, then click Partition. And now I've created two partitions. One is 200 gigabytes and the other is 800 gigabytes. You can create more partitions the same way. Just remember, partitions don't share storage space with each other. Their sizes are fixed once you create them. Inside a single APFS partition, though, you can create multiple volumes, and those volumes will share the same storage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more macOS tutorials.